here is EURAUD. So off rip, I'm going to say that we are becoming bullish. If you look here, we were bearish here, and then right here we broke this high. So we are in bullish territory, but when you see this, such a horrible bearish candle, you have to be concerned. You have to be concerned right here. You have to 100% be concerned. So that's the weekly. So I'm going to go down to the daily here, right? So the daily, when we're looking at the daily, we have structure right here. We have structure in this area right here. So if I pull out my fibs, I do use fibs. I love a lot of confirmations. I really, really do. If I pull out my fibs, we are sitting right now. We are sitting at the golden fib zone, right? We are sitting at a golden fib zone. But like I said, once again, yo, once again, I would like to see, like we broke these highs right here, broke these highs over here, and now we're coming back down to retest these highs, and we're retesting at a golden fib zone and at an EMA. But look at this bearish candle right here. That's scary. That is scary. Like, I know it's still a higher time frame, but I wouldn't just hop into this trade, because all that bearish momentum, like, it can just blow past this level, come back down, honestly, and then retest the level and the EMA to continue coming down. So I honestly would not hop into a trade just yet. I would just chill. I would sit on my hands, and I would just be mad patient, man. I would be mad patient. I'll go down. We go down to the 8 hour. Let's go all the way down to the 4 hour. So what I would look for in EURAUD, I will look for structure. I need a structure shift. So I'm on a 4 hour right now. I need to see a shift in structure. I need for this EMA to come down. I need for literally a structure shift, because right now we're still bearish. I need for the 4 hour to turn bullish, you know, create a high, create a low, create a higher high, and then I need to retest. Hopefully this is a high. I need to retest the high at the level and at this EMA to continue to go long. I need a complete shift of structure, because right now this is bearish momentum right here. I need this right here to turn bullish, and then I'll hop in a trade to ride it all the way back up here to these highs up here. So that's EURAUD.